Hope nothing exciting interrupts our card game.
That's something that I'm hoping for as well.
I win.
Well, doodly darn.
That's the stupidest phrase I've ever heard in my life.
You guys, it's raining badgers.
I think doodly darn is still stupider.
So what brings you here?
This is my house. I live here.
That'll explain the pictures of you.
And why my underwear doesn't fit.
You put on my underwear.
No?
Right. Oh, forgot though. We have a bit of an emergency. Cody is lighting things on fire.
That's not too weird.
Only My Little Pony stuff.
I don't think it'll be a big loss.
Specifically Rarity.
Is he just lighting Rarity stuff on fire?
I got no idea, but we have to stop him.
Because Rarity is best pony?
Because Rarity is best pony!
Do we have to?
I'll give you a cookie.
Well, I do like cookies. Let's go.
Da 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 da. Don't do it, please!
Step back! Don't make me do this!
Sorry, I promise you, this is an easy way to understand it, I promise you.
How do I understand you cheating on me, you lying bastard?
I promise you! Cody, stop!
Step back! I'll do it! I will burn this thing!
What's going on?
This tramp be stealing my man!
Really? A cartoon horse is stealing Daniel?
You see the way she looks at him with that sideways look, always dressing up and wearing fake eyelashes and stuff?
It's a cartoon character. It's a drawing.
Okay! I admit it. I've been seeing Rarity.
What?
You bastard! I should light you both on fire! Why?
I'm sorry. Just it started off small. A wink here, a song there, and then next thing you know, she comes over and things just got out of hand.
You son of a bitch! I'll never forgive you! Fuck! Damn it! Shit!
It's a cartoon horse.
You son of a bitch! I'll burn you for this!
Not the mama! It was me! I'm the hero!
And now I've gone mad with power.
EmptyreelFilms.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Get back here.